Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with businesswithtrading.com, doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 26th of November, Wednesday. And today was another great day in the markets. We pretty much opened up in line, right over here, opened up very choppy. And it was quite a choppy day actually, looking at it, seeing, all this to happen. It was actually a pretty choppy day. As it opened up, it kind of, came quite far up, came down, came up, came down, up, and then just, kind of leveled off and went sideways here. Our first trade was a long, very quickly off the open. Actually, it was right here at 67, and we pretty much took profit right about this region here, 775, and just watch things after that. After that trade, we kind of, definitely were. I'm sorry, we actually got long over here, which would be correct since this was the open. So we got long at 67, and then got out up here at 775. So that was the actual trade, because this is where we opened at. Price came up, quite a bit higher, and then it turned down just as quickly as it ran up. Chopped around a little bit. It did come down here, chop around, and we got long down here, and we were able to hold that until price came up a little bit more. We got out. That was basically the day. After that, we watched price continue to chop around, just large moves on each side, and then it started to level out after about 10:30, 10:35, it started leveling out, and by 11:30 it was just an untradeable market for that last little bit. We did close a little bit early today just because we're going into a weekend or a holiday here in the U.S. at least. We're going into Thanksgiving holiday, and we're going to be closed tomorrow and Friday, because I think that's what we should do. That's the time to, go hang out with your friends and family, have fun. My family, we celebrated Thanksgiving last weekend, and then a lot of us are going to get together again this weekend. It's going to be a lot of fun. That's what really Thanksgiving should be. And speaking about Thanksgiving, I think, instead of being thankful once a year, you should be thankful every single day. I'm thankful I can wake up and be happy and, trade the markets. And it's something that I wouldn't trade for anything. If I could do this, even if I didn't make any money at it, I would still trade the markets, because it's very stimulating. That challenge that I get out of it is better than anything. For me, it's better than anything. And that's what has always driven me, as challenge. One of my friends says, "Well, I can run this fast." I was like, "Okay, well, I can run faster. Let's meet this time 6 months from now, and I'll beat you." Or anything like that. If it's a skill that I have that I just haven't developed fully, yeah, let's take some time and then we'll put our skills to the test. Or if it's something that I know will take me a couple years, like playing violin, for example, since I don't play violin, that would take many years for me to actually become a virtuoso. So you kind of have to know your skill set, but at the same hand, be thankful for what you have and what you can do. There are some people out there, even though they have the ability, they have the, they can learn something, they just don't have any desire to, because they've been so beat down with all the negativity that's in life. Like if you watch the news, for example, which I haven't watched the news on television, I can't tell you the last time, maybe 20 years ago or something like that. because it is just negative. Why would I want to watch that? But I wanted to talk about that a little bit just because it is going into Thanksgiving here in the U.S. and I think it's important as far as being able to spend time with friends and family and everything. Celebrating, Columbus and all that. That's a topic for a different day. I don't really, give him much thought, and and that's me, and that's a debate for a totally different time, a different, you know, area, and not for this video. But as far as spending time with friends and family, being thankful for what you have, that you can wake up, that you have, you know, water that's been, filtered and stuff like that, that you have food. There are a lot of people out there that don't even have basic necessities. So stuff, being thankful for stuff like that is definitely important. And it all comes back to trading as well. If you go into the trading day like that, like, oh, this is, wonder what I'm going to see today. The market's interesting. I want to watch it and, see what it can do and then make a trade. Stuff like that. That stuff will make you a better trader. So anyway, hopefully that made some sense to you. Have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Have a great Thanksgiving holiday if you celebrate that. Spend a lot of time with your friends and family. Just have a lot of fun. And I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.